China commodities on the LME are all trading higher. Dinesh Somani, co-founder ProIntellitrade Services, joins in. Dinesh, good morning. Thanks for joining in. Dinesh, before I go into metals, let's start with your outlook on crude.
Yeah, good morning. Last week we saw huge volatility in the crude oil prices. Prices in MCX went down to 55.70 and then made a high of around 6,500. Then collapsed back to 6,000 levels and then moved back to 62.50. So huge volatility, a move of 20% close to from downside to the upside level and a 7 to 8% fall. So at this level, I think there is no news from the Middle East right now. Nothing on the demand and supply side. Anything new. So I expect around 6250, 6260 should be a good buying level on MCX. Upside, I think 6360, 6420 should be the target. 6200 is a baseline support. I think that should be the stop loss. Overall, I think I adult kind of activity, a limited trade, and I think it should be rebound for the day or two.
Right. Dinesh, what about gold? What are you doing with that particular precious metal?
Right. The PPI data came in last week, which could support the cut in the interest rate, and the jobless numbers also came in higher. I think gold should be volatile and should be bullish for the week as well. Around anything say 76 120, 76 150 in MCX. December contract should be a good buying level. Upside, I expect prices to test the all-time high of 76 700. 79 940 920 should be the stop loss level on the downside. I think this week gold should be in a bullish move. Internationally, in a COMEX level, I think 2670 should be the breakout point. Prices should test close to $2,700 in this weekend.
While we are at it, let's talk about silver as well. I believe you've got a buy call on silver. Gold and silver usually work in tandem, at least directionally.
Yeah, they do work, but if I see the momentum in gold compared to silver, gold is quite bullish. I mean, the prices are almost at the all-time high, while the silver prices are close to 4,000 rupees down from the all-time high. I think the momentum in silver is just followed by the momentum in silver is just following the gold prices. Overall, I see around 91. I think 9870, 9900 should be a good buying level as far as silver December contract in MCX is concerned. 9170, 92150 is the upside potential. 9400 should be the stop loss. 90 to 250 is a major breakout zone, technically speaking. I think if that closes about this level, I expect a 4,000 point rally in silver in the next week.
All right, Dinesh, we'll leave it at that. Thank you so much for joining us and taking us through your views on those very actively traded commodities. With that, it's a wrap on this.